What's going on, family? Welcome back to the channel. I'm Corey. That's Keisha. And we are His and Herbs. And we're just some small time, soon to be big time gardeners, growing food in the high desert of Southern California, which sometimes have me questioning, did we make a mistake of coming to the high desert? This place is hot, y'all. Ridiculously hot. But we're going to talk about that in another video. Today, what we're going to do is I actually can't believe I'm about to say this, but we're about to start prepping for the fall. It seemed like we were just prepping for spring and working out, trying to, getting ready to work through spring into the summer. And here we are now talking about getting everything ready for the fall. So we don't have a lot right now to get ready for the fall because we still have a lot growing in a lot of spaces. So what we're going to do is we're going to prep a couple of spaces to get them ready for some of our fall crops, like this space right here. So this area here with those 3 beds, and then this one already has garlic growing in it. All of the garlic has not come up yet, which is fine, because whatever doesn't come up, we'll just put down some more garlic. They'll be, I don't know, a month or 2 behind each other, but it's fine. They'll be growing for basically the entire, through the fall, through winter and all that stuff. But this bed here, we're gonna snatch whatever is remaining in here, which isn't much. We did have garlic in there, but we pulled that out. We got some chard that's not gonna make it. that's gonna go. We had some stuff in here. We're gonna pull out that, whatever that is. I think that's just a weed. And then we have this stuff too that we're gonna. Yeah, the other stuff is coming out. The holy basil is gonna stay, but the other stuff is gonna come out. We're gonna snatch up what was in the cornfield over here, which was a mini cornfield. But same results as always with the corn. It doesn't grow very tall. It flowers like almost immediately, and we get no corn. So try again next year. So we're gonna snatch this stuff out. And what is dying over here? This was some squash that didn't even produce any pumpkins, any kind of squash or anything. So we're gonna snatch this stuff out, snatch the weeds out, and get this stuff ready for what we're gonna plant in the fall. Yeah, y'all. So this corn got to go. It was looking nice and pretty and lush, but the sun. This summer, the sun came by and did drive-bys on all the gardens, everybody's garden. There's a lot of people complaining about the damage. It seemed like this year the sun was worse, the heat was worse this year than it was last year for a lot of people, even though it didn't get as hot, which I really don't understand. But you never can figure out Mother Nature. And this corn is going to be a trip trying to get up out of here. But she's got to go. She didn't produce like we wanted her to produce, so got to get these things out, and it's out with the old, in with the new, and we start from scratch. Was this a volunteer? That was a volunteer pumpkin, y'all. Yeah, I appreciate her trying, but didn't give us anything. No pumpkin, no squash, no nothing. So, and she's given up the ghost already. She's going to the upper room. So I did. So she got to go. Yeah, y'all. So the idea today is to get up anything that we can that's obviously not producing anymore, and then come back like later this week with some super poop and stuff like that. Get everything in at the beginning of the next month, like the greens and the beets and all that good stuff. So, but yeah. Oh. So yeah, that's the plan. Ow! Ow! Get off me! Ah! Oh no! Not my boot, man. Got some nippers. I just cut it down at the base. What's this? All right, so we got all these beds clear of the weeds and whatever else that was growing but not producing. That's gone. Also, the cornfield, the mini cornfield right here, is all in that pile right there. We cleared out the weeds that were here, and they weren't all weeds. Like I said, we had some squash plants growing down here that weren't doing anything else. So the only reason I left this one is because it's looking like it wants to continue to produce. So I'm gonna let it go and see what happens. It's already put out I think 2 pie pumpkins. So we'll just let it keep going and see what happens. And now we are about to harvest some tomatoes. Wow, you can be over here for a minute. Huh? Noise.
But it looked like, I don't know, y'all. I ain't never seen no long like that.
You thought they were Cinderella pumpkins.
Yeah, I thought they were Cinderella, so what I will do, instead of pulling them right now, instead of pulling them, I find.
You there, y'all? That's pretty. Pretty.
Winter squash.
Winter squash.
There's another one. You think that one's ready?
I don't know. What y'all think? Y'all think this is ready? It's not as big. Oh, she ain't talking about this. But yeah, this one too. I'm talking about. Y'all think that's ready? It's not as yellow. It's not as pretty as the other one in color. But she's talking about this one here. I think that one. I think we could take that one. I think that white spot is just. Oh man, something got to it.
Yeah.
Flip it.
Beautiful on the front.
Turn it around and boom. Look at there.
It.
Yeah, it looked like something came up from the bottom. Maybe dug a hole through the bottom or through the soil. It came up through the soil and got it in several different places. That's it, y'all. That's it for today. Y'all see how things go. You can plan a pretty picnic, but you can't predict the weather. Andre 3000. Sorry, Miss Jackson. All right, guys. So that wraps up this edition, this episode of His and Herb's High Desert Homestead. We hope you guys enjoyed watching us work a little bit. Hopefully we inspired or motivated somebody out there to get ready for their fall garden. Even if, no matter whether your summer garden, spring garden was a success or a moderate success. We're not going to say failures over here. Not today, not in this episode. whether you got what you wanted out of your garden this year so far or not, hopefully this inspires someone to keep going, keep growing, and just prep for the fall garden, because it gives us another chance to grow things and, you know, just continue to practice and get better every season. So this is the small harvest that we walked away with at the end of the day. We got a bunch of tomatoes. This was not supposed to come out. Oh, yeah, this is trash anyway. But this is our small harvest from today. This is the one that wasn't supposed to come off. Accidentally took that off. You know, so yeah, so we have whatever this is. We have some crookneck squash there and some more tomatoes that look really good, and we're going to be having us a salad tonight. So with that being said, y'all, hope y'all enjoyed the video. Don't forget to hit the comment section. Let us know how your garden is going so far this year, this season. Hit the like button, thumbs up, you know, all that good stuff. Subscribe if you haven't already, and we will see you guys in the next video.